Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. Okay, so welcome back to our class. So for today's session, we're going to continue from previous class. Okay, so previous class we stopped at example 4, okay, which is construct a table of values. Okay, so for today we're going to continue with drawing a graph. Okay, so before we start drawing a graph, we let's do a little flashback. Okay, look over here. Okay, so if you have a coordinate of 0 0, okay, it is also known as origin. Okay, ataupun asalan lah in Malay. Okay, where x-axis is known as horizontal axis. Okay, this is x-axis or horizontal axis. Y-axis is known as vertical axis. Okay, yang ni. Okay. So ini bila kita dah cantumkan lah. Okay. Horizontal axis, vertical axis and origin. Okay. So now how to draw a graph. Okay. The ordered pair xy can be plotted on a Cartesian plane using the scale given. Okay, next the points are joined to form a graph. To make it easier in constructing the graph, we can use the following steps. Okay, so number one, first construct a table of values for the given function. Next, draw and label each axis with the given given scale or any suitable scale. Okay, next, okay, plot the point xy for the ordered pair from the table. And four, join the points to form a straight line or a smooth curve. Okay, so in order to draw a graph, you simply just follow these 4 simple steps. Okay. Okay, now let's look at the first example. Okay. Okay, so the first one, 5a. Okay, complete the table of values below for the function of y equals to 2x plus 4. Okay, so over here is your function table. Okay, so you can use a calculator method as previous class, or you can just press manually. Okay, so let's fill in the box first. Okay, so over here, okay, so we have the function is y equals to 2x plus 4. Okay, so we need to complete these 3 empty box. Okay, so the first one, okay, we have x equals to -1. So when x equals to -1, okay, just substitute. Okay, so y equals to 2 bracket -1 plus 4. Okay, so press your calculator, you will get 2. Okay, next, when x equals to 0, so y equals to 2 times 0 plus 4. Okay, so 2 times 0 is 0 plus 4, 4. Okay, and last one, when x equals to 2, so y 2 bracket 2 plus 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, so we know that your answer is 2, 4, 8. Okay, okay, now let's draw axis using the scale given. Okay, now, okay, the scale is, okay, scale for x-axis is 2 centimeter for 1 unit. Scale for y-axis is 2 centimeter for 2 units. Okay, so for example, we have this graph paper. Okay, for your information, okay, for each grid, okay, for each this big grid, okay, the scale is 2 centimeter. Each box is 2 centimeter. Ini nampak kotak ni kan, ukuran sebenar dia tak perlu awak kira. Okay, dia automatically each boxes is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. So when the question asks you to draw 2 centimeter to 1 unit, so it means this 2 centimeter will be 1 unit. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. Okay, now let's draw based on the given scale. Okay, so we have 2 centimeter to 1 unit. Okay, now let's look at our table. So for x, we have negative value. So please make a room for negative values. Okay, so for example, I draw it like this. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay, now, so over here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because the question asks 2 centimeter for 1 unit. So each big box will be 1 unit. So this is -1, this is -2. Okay, and then for vertical, 2 centimeter to 2 unit. So each box will be 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay, so over here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so this is y and this is x. Okay, then we need to plot each point. Okay, look over here. Okay, we know that for ordered pair, okay, you will write it in coordinate form, okay, which is the first value is y and the second value is x. Okay, so for this pair, you will write it as -2, 0. Over here, you will write it as -1, 2, and so on. Okay, so the value is as listed as follows. Okay, so we have -2, 0, -1, 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 8, and lastly 3, 10. Okay, so let's plot one by one. Okay, now we have -2, 0. Okay, so you have learned coordinate before this, right? Okay, so I don't think you have any problem in plotting the point. Okay, so -2, 0. So over here, so this is -2, 0. And then we have -1 and 2. It meet over here. So plot it over there. And then 0 for x is 0. Y is 4. So over here. And then 1, 6. 1, 6. Okay, so over here. 2, 8. So this point. 3, 10. This point. Okay, so actually we are in which step? Okay, so we already construct a table. Done. Draw and label each axis. Done. Plot the point xy. Done. Then we need to join the point to form a straight line or a smooth curve. So let's join the plot. Okay, I'm using, for example, pink color. Okay, so let's join all these points. Okay, now you have a straight line. Okay, based on this, okay, table of values and this scale. Okay, so far okay. Look over here, tips. Use a ruler to draw a straight line graph. Please use ruler, don't use freehand. Okay, you use freehand just for the smooth curve one. Okay, so if you don't have any problem, for example 5, let's move forward to example 6. Okay, so for example 6, okay, the same thing. Okay, you need to complete this table of values. Okay, so you have this function. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, so when, okay, x equals to -1. Okay, so substitute the value y equals to -1 square minus 2, -1 minus 3. Okay, now, okay, please be careful. If you have negative number and you need to square it, please put it inside a bracket. Okay, so when you press your calculator, okay, with the bracket, okay, So negative 1 square, you will get 1. Okay, because negative times negative will be positive. Ne ne po. Okay. If you press your calculator just like this without the bracket, okay, it will give you answer negative 1. So this one is wrong, eh? Okay, so please use bracket. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, so okay, negative 2 times negative 1, ne ne po. So positive 2 and then minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus, 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, next when x equals to 1. Okay, so y is equals to 1 square minus 2 times 1 minus 3. So 1 square is 1 minus 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3. Okay, so your answer will be negative 4. And last one, when x equals to 2. So y equals to 2 square minus 2 bracket 2 minus 3. Okay, you can just press your calculator. Okay, this one. Okay, and you will get negative 3. Okay, so finish, you get all the values, unknown values. Okay, so let's write the values. So this is 0, this is negative 4, this is negative 3. Okay, okay, next. Okay, I hope my this one is cukup lah. Wait, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 only, not enough. Okay, wait, yeah, I need to find a blank graph paper for us to iPad. Good notes. Current. Okay. Okay, so let's look over here. Okay, the question wants us to draw 2 centimeter to 1 unit, 2 centimeter to 1 unit. Okay, both are the same. And please look for negative value. Is there any negative values? Yes. Negative 2, negative 1 for x-axis, negative 4, negative 3 for y-axis. Okay, now let's draw this axis. Okay, I'm using a pink color so you can see it. Okay, in exam please don't use pink color. Okay, so let's draw the axis first. Okay, so over here, okay, you cannot see it. Okay, I'm using a bigger. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, now, okay, the axis, okay, 2 centimeter to 1 unit, right? So we have 1 2 3 4. This is x. Okay, and then this is negative 1, negative 2. Then we have 1 2 3 4 5. So this is y. Okay, and then for negative is until negative 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, so let's plot our points. So we have over here negative 2, 5. Okay, let me write it over here. So negative 2, 5, negative 1, 0, 0, negative 3, 1, negative 4, 2, negative 3, 3, 0, 4, 5. Okay, so let me copy this one so it's easy for me. Okay, Let's put it up there. Okay, so the first one is negative 2, 5. So negative 2, 5, I'm using red. Okay, negative 2, 5, negative 2, 5. Okay, is up here. Okay, negative 2, 5 up there. Okay, negative 1, 0, negative 1, 0 is over here. Okay, 0, negative 3, 0, negative 3 is down here. 1, negative 4, 1, negative 4, okay, down here. And then 2, negative 3, 2, negative 3 over here. 3, 0 here. And last one, 4, 5. 4, 5. Okay, so we have quadratic graph. Okay, so let's connect the points. Okay, because I'm using this iPad, so it's quite hard for me to do freehand because it will make an automatic shape. Okay, so okay, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so okay, please make it in a smooth curve. Okay, because I'm using this iPad, so it's not that smooth. Okay, boleh? So this is a x square graph. Okay, okay, nice. Comel graph saya. Okay, okay, okay. Next, okay, let's move forward to the next example. Okay, example 7. Okay, for example 7. Okay, complete the table of values, okay, below for the function y equals to 12 minus x cubed. Okay, so the same thing, we need to fill in the boxes. So we have, okay, so y equals to 12 minus x cubed. So 12 minus negative 2 cubed. Okay, so you can press your calculator just like this. Okay, and your answer will be 20. Okay, next, y equals to 12 minus x cubed. Okay, 12 minus 1 cubed. So we get 11. Okay, then y equals to 12 minus 2 cubed. Okay, so 12, 2 cubed is 8. So 4. Okay, so your answer is 20, 11, and 4. Okay, so next, okay, let's draw a graph. Okay, is it enough? I think we don't have enough space over here. Okay, so we will use another graph paper. So before that, let me write the coordinate. Negative 3, 39. Negative 2, 20. Negative 1, 13. 0, 12. 1, 11. 2, 4. 3, negative 15. Okay, let me copy this. Copy. Okay. Okay. So let's draw the axis first. Okay, so using pink color. So, oops, sorry. Okay, over here. Over here. Okay. So for x-axis, okay, x-axis 2 centimeter to 1 unit, y-axis 2 centimeter to 5 unit. Okay, so let's draw the x-axis first. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is x, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So for over here 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oops, not enough. Let's move this graph a bit lower. Okay, let's add this axis. Okay. 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so this is y. For negative area, we have negative 5, negative 10, negative 15. Okay. Okay, now let's plot. The first point is negative 3, 9. Negative 3, 39. So negative 3. Okay, negative 3, 39. Okay, is over here. Okay. Okay, next. Negative 2, 20 over here. Negative 1, 13. 13 over here. Then we have 0, 12. 0, 12 is over here. And then we have 1, 11. 1, 11. Okay. 2, 4. 2, 4. Oops, sorry. What is the third one? Negative 1, 13. Okay, negative 1, 13. Where is 13? 1, you need 2 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think I wrongly plot over here. Let's do it again. Okay. Okay, so 39 is actually over here. Okay, because each two boxes is 1. Because okay, 35, 2 boxes 36, 2 boxes 37, 2 boxes 38, 2 boxes 39, and last 2 boxes is 40. Okay, so next, negative 220. So negative 220 exactly right here, no problem. Next, negative 1, 13, negative 1, 13, 10, 2 box 11, 12, 13 over here. Okay, and then 0, 12. 0, 12, 10 is over here, 10, 11, 2 boxes, 12, 2 boxes over there. Okay, so over here. Next, we have 1, negative 11. So negative 11, sorry, 1, 11, 10, 11. Okay, this area. 2, 4, 2, 4 here, 2, 4. Okay, and the last one is 3, negative 15. So over here. Okay, nice. Okay, next we need to connect the dot. Okay, I'm using green one, blue. Okay, so let's draw. Okay, please connect the dot using a curve. Okay, okay, so nice and chomel. Okay, okay, so I think it's quite simple. Okay, so now you have learned how many type of graph? 3 graphs so far, right? So the first one is straight line. Okay, this is the straight line graph. Okay, next we have x square, quadratic. This is the quadratic graph. Okay, this is x cube graph, x power of 3. Okay, so next question, we have reciprocal. Okay, so this is we call reciprocal. Reciprocal. Okay, salingan in Malay. Okay, so let's complete this table. So first one we have y. Okay, when x equals to negative 3. Okay, so y equals to 24 divided by negative 3. Your answer is negative 8. Next, when when x equals to 1, so y equals to 24 divided by 1 is 24. Last one, when x equals to 4, y 24 divided by 4 is 6. Okay, so your answer for this table is negative 8, 24 and 6. Okay, now let's look at the scale. Okay, using a scale of 2 centimeter to 1 unit on x-axis and 2 centimeter to 5 unit on y-axis, draw a graph. Okay, function. Okay, this is the domain. Okay, so what it means, okay, the domain, you cannot draw a line that more than negative 4 and 4 on your x-axis. Okay, so which means the maximum value for x is 4, the minimum is negative 4. Okay, so let's look at y-axis. Y, the highest is 24, so 25 plus about 5 unit kan. The lowest is negative 6, so negative 24, so negative 25. Okay, so obviously this one is not what is not enough space, so let's draw it over here. Okay, so let's draw our axis. Okay, 0, so 1 unit, right? So 1 2 3 4. Okay, wait, let's correct this. Okay, so this is x, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Negative 5, negative 10, negative 15, negative 20, negative 25. Okay, so let's plot. Okay, our first coordinate is negative 4, negative 6. So negative 4, negative 6. This is negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, 2 boxes. Okay, so this is negative 4, negative 6. And then 3, negative 8. Negative 3, negative 8. This is negative 10, negative 9, negative 8. Okay. Okay, next, negative 2, negative 12. So 10, 11, 12. Okay. Negative 1, negative 24. Okay, over here 24. Okay, next 124 over here. 2, 12. So 2, 11, 12. 3, 8. Okay, here 4, 6. Okay. So this is y. Okay, so let's connect the graph. Okay, okay, so this is your graph. Okay, so this is reciprocal graph. So whenever you have something like y equals to, for example, 24 divided by x, every time you have x at the denominator, your graph is reciprocal. Okay.